How does corporate governance impact environmental, social, and governance issues? In today's business world, the connection between corporate governance and environmental, social, and governance issues is more relevant than ever. Just this week, discussions around corporate governance have intensified as companies face increasing pressure to address these critical factors. Many viewers are likely searching for clarity on how governance shapes these responsibilities. Corporate governance sets the framework for how companies operate, including their approach to environmental, social, and governance matters. This framework includes rules and accountability structures that guide decision-makers. The impact of corporate governance on these issues can be seen in various countries, where frameworks either mandate or encourage compliance with environmental and social responsibilities. For instance, in India, the Companies Act of 2013 requires certain companies to allocate a specific percentage of their profits to corporate social responsibility activities. This makes compliance with social and environmental standards a legal requirement, directly linking corporate governance to positive outcomes in these areas. On the other hand, the European Union and Norway take a different approach. Their corporate governance systems often relying on voluntary codes and sustainability reporting. Here, the board's responsibility to consider environmental and social issues is framed more as an ethical obligation than a strict legal requirement. However, recent developments like the European Union's Corporate Sustainability Due Diligence Directive are changing this landscape by introducing mandatory due diligence for larger companies. Additionally, the governance structures in countries like China and India are evolving to address technology-related risks. Companies are now expected to manage how advancements in artificial intelligence and data protection fit within their environmental and social strategies. This shift shows that corporate governance is not just about financial performance anymore. It also encompasses broader societal impacts. As environmental, social, and governance reporting becomes more common, regulators are focusing on ensuring that these disclosures are accurate. However, challenges remain as environmental, social, and governance data can often be subjective and difficult to verify. Strong corporate governance can help address these issues by promoting transparency and consistency in reporting. Companies that implement robust governance practices are better equipped to avoid legal disputes and reputational damage linked to poor environmental, social, and governance performance. Aligning governance with global environmental, social, and governance standards helps businesses remain compliant while attracting investment and maintaining stakeholder trust. As we move towards 2025, environmental, social, and governance considerations are becoming central to corporate strategy. The way companies govern themselves will determine whether environmental, social, and governance issues are treated as mere checkboxes or integrated into core business operations. Legal frameworks, board oversight, and disclosure practices all play a role in shaping how companies respond to these growing expectations.